Hello, my name's Eleanor Shaw, and I would like to invite you to sit, get comfortable, close your eyes, and listen. Liloba. She has long silver grey hair. Her skin is rough to touch. She has yellow fingernails and yellow toenails. She doesn't make human sounds. She howls and cackles. She lives in the deep American desert. Some say they have seen her riding shotgun across the Mexican border. Some say they have seen her sitting at gas stations in El Paso. But I have seen her sitting at her cave in the deep, deep American desert, waiting for lost souls to pass on by. She spends her days searching for bones. The rattlesnake, the crow, the deer, all to decorate her cave. But her favourite bones are of the wolf, but not to decorate her cave. She collects the bones, and she starts to put them back in place, one by one, one by one. And she stands over her fire and she sings. The fur starts to grow. The wolf's heart starts to beat. The wolf's eyes open. She looks at Liloba. Liloba looks back. And the wolf disappears into the moonlight. And when Liloba looks, she no longer sees a wolf, but she sees the figure of a naked, laughing woman with silver grey hair floating down her back. So one day, you may meet Liloba. And if you do, ask her to help you find the story within you. Now that you've listened to the story, I'd like you to sit and put some thought into what images are coming into your mind. And when you're ready, I invite you to use whatever creative response you would like to use, whatever creative medium is yours. It could be paint, it could be dance, it could be singing, it could be writing. But I invite you to respond to Liloba in whatever way you wish. The next part of my invitation is for the story to just sit within you. Give it a couple of days. Go for a walk, go for a swim, sit down. Just be in the moment. At our sessions with Wahoon, as artists and practitioners, we were talking about that sometimes we're so busy with being practitioners and saving others that we sometimes don't have time to just be in that moment. So please, I invite you to be in the moment. Take some time. Let Liloba sit with you and find your story. Thanks for listening.